guys, today, nice video, and it's raining outside, and windy. And then, we're just having fun, and, guys, you wanna go drink soda? Okay, let's go. Let's go eat, guys, and make an onion. So, guys, it's actually raining. Come on.
Wait, we'll show them the rain right now. Oh, it's pouring. That.
No way.
Okay, let's go back inside. So that's why we had to stay inside.
Guys, I should actually scratch my back. Hey, guys, come on. Guys, look at my slime. I just mixed up a little bit. Hey, guys. I'm stuck. It's like so deep. Screwy. Oh, guys, look at you. Okay, guys, so we got all around, and it's like so boring without going outside. So we decided to. I decided it's so boring that it's so like, yeah, without going outside.
Oh dang, I'm getting wet. Okay, let's go.
It's getting wet? Why? Okay, guys. This is our background. Okay, guys. Wait, guys. Do you want to see my hiding place? Come on. And this door is my hiding place. So, just came here because it's our own
Get
video.
out. Get out.
That's just my brother JD. Oh. Okay. The second one here. And this is my toothbrush. And then the second room